Hi guys, today I'm just trimming and taking care of the plants. I just finished watering it, and today the tomatoes, it has already some fruits. So we have two different kinds of tomatoes. We have courgettes here, paprika, and cucumber. So they have already starting to grow, and we have squash there. And today I was thinking I will make you a healthy breakfast since our berries is starting to ripen. So yeah, let's go. So now guys, the blueberries is starting to ripen, so we have now few, so we will take it. So guys, now we're harvesting blueberries. Look. So one of the good things in Finland, 4 seasons, enjoying the summer. Ito natin. Tamis. Grabe. Finished berries. Lala. Anong hugas-hugas. Fresh from the garden. Sa mga mister, meron akong tip sa inyo. Ipagtanim nyo ang asawa nyo ng roses, so you don't have to buy always. So every summer, we have roses. Practicality. So guys, we're done with the blueberries. We took some, this one, and now we're taking strawberries. So we will make strawberry and blueberry pudding, or what do you call this? Chia seeds pudding. So here on this side we have the rhubarb, strawberries. Pula niya guys, may lupa-lupa. Gusto ko sanang tikman kaya lang may lupa eh. Mamaya na lang pag nahugasan ko na. Ganyan. So guys, we picked our berries already. So picked and washed strawberries and blueberries, and it is only 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient will be chia seed, almond milk. This is already sweet for me, so I will not add any sweetener, but if you want to add any sweetener to your pudding, you can add honey, stevia, or sugar. It's up to you. And then berries. So 3 recipe or 3 ingredient pudding. So we have done our pudding, and the mixture, you have to soak it for 2 to 3 hours or until it gets like clumps, or just leave it in the fridge for overnight. So guys, sabihin ko pa lang, it's tasting time. So it's tasting time for our breakfast pudding. Chia seeds pudding with fresh berries. So, oops, tasting time. So good. Chia seeds is good for your gut. It produces, or it gives you extra fiber and protein. So it's good for your tummy. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe, like, and the bell button so you will be always informed whenever I uploaded new videos. So enjoy guys. Big Boy Finland again here. So see you again. Have a nice summer. Ciao.